going on, you guys? It's Pete again from Hyper Boost. Guess what? I did something stupid yesterday. So anyway, after I put the carbon fiber trunk back in the storage, I was trying to clean up my car, and I had my toolbox inside here. I had a pair of pliers that I didn't see on top of the box. I grabbed the box, I lifted it, and a pair of pliers fell and landed right there. So now, as you can see, I had a damn dent in my car. Well, anyway, so what I did was I researched it. And then suddenly this website comes up, okay, this web page off of Google. It's called Dent Sense. Called them up, and lo and behold, this gentleman shows up, Dominique. Okay, Dominique owns Dent Sense. This is his truck right here. And so, although I won't hold it against him, he's wearing a Subaru hat. It's all good. So guys, you know, paint is a great thing for cars, obviously. You know, when I punched the hole, accidentally punched the hole, the back bumper when I backed into that goal post or that post in for the mailbox. And Timmy of Cartoon Customs, my boy, my all-wheel drive gang member, he fixed my car for me, did the heat repair on the bumper, and paint matched the whole thing. It's fantastic. But sometimes something this small, you're kind of in between painting and the other things. So now I called up Dominique, and I'm so happy he's here. Again, Dent Sense. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to link the description below on the description on this video. But he basically allowed me to film this and how cool and scientific this thing is going to roll. So stand by. Dude, he's got a whole light setup. So these special lights apparently are super expensive, and all this equipment that he has in his truck is like high dollar stuff, especially these lights, so that, you know, he can really get a good beat on what my car needs. And I'm telling you, just by that, it already looks awesome. So Dominique, how long you been practicing, brother?
18 years.
18 years, guys. Holy smokes, man. 18 years of doing this stuff. And he also used to do paint work, right?
Yeah, so body shop at one time.
Yeah, body shop at one time. So, you know a guy who's, and by the way, he's a Porsche driver, or used to be a Porsche driver, had a Panamera, had to get rid of it, he said. So, but yeah, so anyway, my paint guy's a car guy, my dent guy's a car guy. So, come on, you know, when a car guy comes to help you with your car, you know you're in good hands, man. So, but check that out. He's already got literally more than half.
We have a shop up here in Amarillo, Texas. We're fixing some hail cars in Amarillo, Texas.
Oh,
right now.
Are you guys originally from Texas, or
no?
Okay.
I'm actually originally from the Bahamas.
Oh, okay. Hence the name Dominique.
Yeah, and I used to live in Florida. So,
okay.
Came out of Atlanta, Georgia. Lived there for quite a long time, and that's kind of where I started my business in Atlanta, in the metro area. So we eventually moved into this area. Me and my wife wanted to come back to Florida. Sunshine, you know, get away from cold.
Yeah, awesome.
So,
yeah.
But I've been chasing for a long time, so I'm back here.
So I guess that's what it's called, guys. It's like when you're trying to get the business and all that stuff about paintless dent repair, it's called chasing hail. I've never heard of that term until he told me that. But I guess you're just chasing weather. It's kind of like people that are doing tornado chasing, because their life is basically filming those tornadoes and studying them. And Dominique here has basically been chasing hail, but you know, now that we're in Florida, you know, so but this is good business here. You're gonna have a lot of people here, working on this stuff. So for all my guys out there who do a lot of DIY stuff, let that be a lesson to you from a guy who's just went through it. Make sure that your tools are inside the toolbox when you put your stuff away. The only thing was too, I had my wife's car in here, so it was a tight fit. Again, no excuse. Got to clean up your stuff before you put it up, because stuff like this will happen. But so happy that Dent Sense is in town. I have Dominique here, my man, just fixing me up, and you know, so I'm not afraid. It's not that I'm gonna dent it again, but if it does dent again, at least I know Dominique is in town. So, but this is gonna be. So we're gonna finish this up, guys, and then I'm gonna show you guys the end result. You guys saw the dent in the beginning, so I'm gonna show you guys the end result after Dominique gets done. So, a few minutes. Quick update. We got to take the wing off so Dominique can access that area. Holy smokes, boys, look at that. What? Dude, that is insane. Oh man, that is cool. That is way cool. Total pro, Dominic. Total pro, buddy. Now, I've got a couple of comments on the channel telling me all the time that my car is dressed up but nowhere to go. Come on, guys. You know, sometimes you just gotta basically, you know, make sure that your car is always ready to go, right? It's like any fighter would train just so at a moment's notice they can get called up so they can fight, right? So, kind of like doing the same thing. Like Dominique said, what'd you say earlier, brother? It's not all about driving it, it's about looking good. Hey, didn't come from me, it's from the man, all right? It's from the man, it came from him. A little wet sandy going on there. Guys, oh my goodness, boys, no dent. Look at that, perfect. And even wet sanded it, my man. All right, boys, and just like that, we are back in business. No more dent. Thank you to Dent Sense. Appreciate it, Dominic. Thank you so much for coming out, dude. Come on, man. How many places now still can do home service? This is amazing. You can't get enough of this stuff, man. This is awesome. But anyway, I want to thank Dent Sense for coming out, Dominic, my man, for fixing the car. You know, people always tell us like, oh, you don't see it. I was like, well, yeah, I do. In my head, it's there. Okay, so now it's not there. It's all good. It's all fixed. Happy as a clam. So I might do a driving video on Friday. So I promised you guys a driving video. And do a couple of blasts, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys watching HyperBoost. Again, I'm your host, Pete. So I'll see you guys on the next vlog. By the way, I got something big planned, so stand by for that.